What are you occupying your time with there?
I'm enrolling in college.
You need to enroll in this Zoom because you may end up enrolling in prison.
She's on Zoom. She's distracted. She's got a baby nearby, and she's facing a state jail felony for stealing catalytic converters. 16 of them, off school buses. School buses that carry kids. She says she wasn't even there. She says she was pregnant, but her name is on the paperwork. And now she's standing before a judge who has zero patience for excuses. Watch what happens when entitlement walks into the wrong courtroom.
All right, we're here for sentencing.
Not for sentencing, Judge. We had reset because of discovery issues. My client zoomed in. We're ready to do paperwork. We just didn't know if we could do it on Zoom.
Yes, you can do paperwork on Zoom. But I have paperwork in this file. Why do I have paperwork?
I got her.
Last time that she applied and then they drew it, so we had some discovery.
Yeah, I think that's what happened.
All right, so yes, you can do it online.
Okay.
But be sure to tell your client that I am being accommodating by having her appear on Zoom, but we're not doing the look at the baby thing.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
So,
you.
sure.
I will follow up on that right now.
All right, thank you. Who's here on Nicole Moses? Are we ready? And have we taken care of the child issue?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 6148, State of Texas versus Nicole Moses. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Deputy Police on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
for the defense?
Eric Corby, Your Honor.
All right, and are you Miss Boyle?
Yes, ma'am. This is Nicole Moses Boyle.
Did you understand you're charged with theft 2,500 to 30,000 as a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor.
All right, you may want to be careful with that drawer. They can get their little fingers in there. All right, children, they get into everything. They're very inquisitive. A baby will not be hurt on my watch, people, not on my watch. All right, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, and no contact with the North Independent School District facilities. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right, so Miss Moses Ball, my understanding is catalytic converters are very expensive. And so they're saying you took 16 off of the school buses.
Okay.
So how long did it take you to take off one?
I didn't take them off. I was pregnant and not there. So I don't understand why I'm the only one getting in trouble for this, but
Do you want a jury trial?
I wasn't there.
You want a jury trial?
No, let's just do this the easiest way.
Well, because they have you listed, Chad Anua and Moses Ball as stealing catalytic converters from the bus barn. So are you employed?
No, ma'am.
All right. So what are you occupying your time with there? Because it appears that you're not paying attention.
I'm enrolling in college.
Well,
right
you need
now
you need to enroll in this Zoom and pay 100% attention here because you may end up enrolling in prison. So you need to pay attention to what's going on here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you employed?
No, ma'am.
So how are you supporting yourself?
Right now I'm staying with my mother and she's helping me. I just had a baby. She's almost a year old now. I'm fixing to enroll in school. I've already done my FAFSA and everything, so I'll be attending school shortly. And I plan to get a job at home on the computer.
All right. The court requires everyone here to have employment. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to want parenting classes. Once you complete parenting classes, the remaining of those hours to be waived. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be no contact with Chad Ancona, Ancona, Moses Ball, the Northside Independent School District. There should be regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The theft course, is there anything else, probation?
Your Honor, she can be
Supervisor?
supervised here.
Okay,
They're receptacle county, so she can be supervised here.
are you able to do field visits?
No, that's the only thing.
All right, can you get someone from Guadalupe County to at least do one field visit?
We can check into it, Your Honor.
All right, see if you can do that. I want at least one field visit. If there's no issues, then you can stop with the field visits.
Yes,
Your Honor, you do know I have a baby. I don't really have any way to have childcare to be employed. I was planning on going to college over the internet.
People got to support their dependents. That's part of your probation, that you support your children.
And Chad Ancona is the baby's father.
Yes. So you all, if there's going to be an exchange for him to visit the child, y'all going to have to do that through a third party, because obviously he's not a good influence, because people are stealing catalytic converters from school buses, and vehicles may have changed since when I grew up, but I remember when you had a catalytic converter that was stolen, your vehicle could still run, but you're polluting the air. And then maybe the police would end up pulling you over for that. So now we have 16 school buses with no catalytic converter. So we are where we are. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
She's going to have a problem on probation. I already see that. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Sending you to breakout room number 1. Probation will go over conditions.
Yes, ma'am.
She walked in distracted, made excuses, and pushed back on every condition. But the judge gave her every tool to succeed anyway. Deferred adjudication, parenting classes, flexibility. The choices from here are entirely hers. So the question is, did she deserve this second chance? Or did she already waste it before she logged off?